This is an incredible mission to the Sun, one that has never been attempted before. The Parker Solar Probe, NASA's engineering marvel, is daring to go where no spacecraft has gone before. It's braving scorching heat and immense solar radiation, all to unlock the secrets of the Sun's corona, solar winds, and magnetic fields. And now, get ready for the most thrilling chapter yet. On Christmas Eve 2024, this extraordinary spacecraft will make its closest ever flyby of the Sun's surface, bringing us closer than ever to understanding the heart of our solar system. What is the Parker Solar Probe? The Parker Solar Probe is a groundbreaking NASA spacecraft launched in August 2018 to study the Sun and its incredible processes. It is named after Dr. Eugene Parker, a famous solar physicist. The mission's main goal is to solve big mysteries like why the Sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, is much hotter than its surface, something scientists have been curious about for years. This spacecraft is going closer to the Sun than anything ever has, helping us understand solar winds, magnetic fields, and how the Sun's activity affects us on Earth. This eve, on December 24th, 2024, the Parker Solar Probe will get incredibly close to the Sun, closer than any spacecraft has ever been. The term closest approach means the point in its orbit when it is nearest to the Sun's surface. Here's a comparison to understand just how close this is. The Earth is about 93 million miles away from the Sun. The Parker Solar Probe will be only 3.8 million miles away from the Sun. This is 25 times closer to the Sun than the Earth is. At this distance, the spacecraft is effectively inside the Sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona. Temperatures in this region are extremely high, but the spacecraft is protected by a special heat shield. This close flyby helps scientists study the Sun's intense environment directly. It's an extraordinary engineering and scientific achievement to send a probe so close to a star. For a flyby to travel from Earth, the Sun needs enormous fuel, so scientists have come up with the idea of using Venus gravity as energy. The spacecraft is not traveling in a straight line or in a simple circle. Instead, it is following an elliptical orbit around the Sun. As it passes close to Venus, the spacecraft gets a boost in speed, which helps it adjust its path. These gravity assists gradually change the spacecraft orbit, making it closer to the Sun with each pass. The Parker Solar Probe is scheduled to pass Venus 7 times during its journey to the Sun. Each time it does this, it gets a little closer to the Sun and speeds up, thanks to the boost it gets from Venus's gravity. You might think, why not Mercury, as it is even closer to the Sun? Mercury is very close to the Sun, and so it moves much faster in its orbit compared to Venus. This means that the gravitational pull it could provide to the spacecraft would be much weaker and would not be as useful for slowing down or redirecting the spacecraft in the desired manner. Gravity assists allow the spacecraft to save fuel and control its orbit to gradually get closer to the Sun. During the flyby, the Parker Solar Probe will face significant challenges due to its trajectory and the interference of the Sun's intense radiation with communications. The spacecraft will temporarily lose contact with Earth. However, contact will be re-established on December 27th. This period of lost communication only adds to the excitement, as scientists eagerly anticipate the new data the probe will send back. They are hopeful that the encounter will coincide with major solar events, such as coronal mass ejections, which could provide valuable insights into the Sun's activity and its effects on space weather. Scientific and technical discoveries. The Parker Solar Probe has made groundbreaking discoveries that are changing the way we understand space. One of the key findings is the role of coronal mass ejections, CMEs, in cleaning space. These massive bursts of charged particles released by the Sun have a sweeping effect, clearing away dust particles that exist between planets and stars. This discovery helps us better understand how space can be cleaned by such solar events. The probe has also been studying space weather, including solar winds, solar flares, and CMEs, and their impact on Earth's technology. For example, CMEs can interfere with satellite communications, GPS systems, and power grids. By closely studying the sun's activities, the Parker Solar Probe helps us find ways to protect our technology from these space weather effects. Additionally, the spacecraft's advanced engineering, especially its heat shield that can withstand temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit 1,377 degrees Celsius, is critical not just for this mission, but also for future space missions, particularly those involving close encounters with hot celestial bodies like the Sun. The Parker Solar Probe has performed exceptionally well despite the extreme conditions it faces. The spacecraft remains in excellent health, with minimal damage, as it continues its groundbreaking mission. Surprisingly, the Sun's intense heat has acted like a car wash, keeping the probe cleaner than expected. This unexpected outcome highlights the spacecraft's resilience and the efficiency of its heat shield, which is designed to protect it from the sun's extreme temperatures. The probe's ability to stay in good condition under such harsh conditions is a testament to the success of its engineering and the effectiveness of its advanced technology. The Sun is a natural laboratory for studying other stars. Data from Parker Solar Probe will enhance our understanding of the Sun's behavior and its effects on the solar system, including Earth. In summary, the mission combines scientific discovery, engineering marvel, and a symbolic moment, embracing a star on Christmas Eve. The excitement lies in pushing human-made technology closer to the Sun than ever before while uncovering its secrets. If you liked the video, please subscribe,